you need to remove this bolt right here. It's a 14 millimeter, and this bolt, all you have to do, just loosen it, because you can't take it out. You're gonna hit this part right here. All you have to do is just loosen it and take this one off. After that, just open this one up. Remove the pads. Now you can remove this. It's up to you. You can replace it, or you can just leave it in there, because when you buy a new brake pad, it'll come with it, all the hardware. Just get a flathead screwdriver, just pry it off. Top one is the same. You just pry it off with a flathead screwdriver. These are the new brake pads. Got these from AutoZone. It's a lifetime warranty. So basically, this pad right here is free. You just pay it once. When it gets low, you just take it out, take it back to AutoZone. They give you a new one for free. Okay, all the hardware came with it, so you can put the new hardware on. These are the brake pads. So for the other side, put the new part on. The bottom one. Now put the new part on. Goes in properly. After the brake pads are on, you need to compress the piston back in, which is the tool that you need. Brake piston compressor. Before you compress the piston back in, you need to open the brake reservoir cap up, because if you try to push it in, basically the system is sealed, and when you push it in, it's gonna be hard to push the piston in because the pressure inside is too much. Open up the reservoir cap. What you do, use the old brake pad, put that right there, use the compression tool. It's gonna look something like this. Tie it up, push the piston back in, do it slowly. Make sure it's all the way in. It's all the way in. Take it out. I'll put this back. Now before you put the bolt back on, it's up to you. You can clean it up, loop it up with the grease that comes with it, and on the bottom, since you can't remove it, you can just lube it up a little bit. You can just lube it right here. That'll be okay. Clean it up already, and this is the grease that came with it. Put it back on. Now torque it down between 20-25 foot-pound. Close the cap. Make sure the level are good, still within range. So this one kind of come up a little bit, but you're still not done yet. You need to go in the car and pump on the brake pedal until you get pressure. You pump a couple times, make sure it got pressure. Looks like it got pressure right now. Now check the brake reservoir again. We're good. On the other side, you do the same thing. That's it.